السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
وعليكم السلام.
وعليكم السلام.
Hello. السلام عليكم. Hello, Mr. Hab.
هلو، ازيك عاملة ايه؟
Good morning. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Welcome back to our fantastic lesson. Okay, now let me to start for explaining our lesson of today, which talks about the triangles theorems. Okay, the triangles theorems, or the theorems of triangle. We have here in our curriculum two theorems. The first one talks about the angles. Okay, talks about the angles. The second one talks about lengths. Now, let me to start with the first one here. It's about the exterior angle. Someone can help us about what the meaning of exterior angles and what is the meaning of interior angles? Yes? No anyone? Okay. No anyone? Recognize the difference between interior angle and exterior angle?
أنا عارفة.
Yes?
الانتيريور انجل اللي هو جوه التراينجل نفسه.
Excellent. The
external
angles inside the shape. Okay.
inside the shape.
Right?
ايوه، والاكسترنال انجل بيكون اللي هو لو عملنا اكستنشن لللاين هو اللي هيظهر.
If I extend one of the sides, the exterior angle which complement or which supplement the interior angles, right? The adjacent angle which supplements the interior angle, right or wrong, Sondus? Sondus?
نعم.
Yeah, the exterior angle, which angle adjacent to my interior angle on the same vertex, right?
أيوة.
Excellent. Okay. Now, this theorem, in this theorem, I have a side and I have extension of another side. The interior angles are the angles inside the shape. Here in my triangle, I have three interior angles. The exterior angle is the angle which supplements the interior one in the same vertex. Now, the rule of my first theorem, yes, right? The rule in first, the rule, girls, please, you have to enter with your name and your class, okay? You can rename your name now. If you don't have your name or your class, I'm sorry, I will remove that person here, okay? Okay, now my rule here about the exterior angle. If I measure the exterior angle, I will found it as the summation of the unadjacent angles. So, if I have two unadjacent angles here, I will find the exterior angle will be the summation of the measure of its non-adjacent interior angle. Okay? Please don't draw anything on my board. So, the measure of the exterior angle here will be the measure of the non-adjacent interior angles. The summation of non-adjacent interior angles. Okay.
Please make
Now,
me a
yes, Mr. Hab?
co-host.
Yes. Okay, please wait. Yes. You have it now. You have it now, Mr. Had. Okay. Now, if I have this example, let me the measure of the exterior angle, which marked here. Who can help me for do that? For measure. Give me the measure of the exterior angle here. I need the measure of exterior angle now.
أميرة ممكن أقول؟
Yes.
أقول.
Who? Zena? Who are you, Zena?
علياء.
Alia? Yes, Alia. Yes, Alia.
So we will make 70 plus 30.
Excellent.
It will give us 100.
Yes. Okay, the summation of them, it will be?
Internal angle.
Yes, it will be?
100.
Yes, excellent.
100.
100 degree. Right. 100 degree. Excellent. Excellent,
أميرة
Alia.
بقى
Okay.
سؤال، هي ال 100 دي سؤال ال 100 دي بتبقى جوه ولا بره؟
100 of the
يعني
exterior
summation بيبقى
angle. Where is the exterior angle here? This one is my exterior angle of this interior angle, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. The summation
Yeah,
of this
summation-
angle should be the addition or the summation of the non-adjacent angles. What the meaning? This is one is adjacent angle, okay? So the non-adjacent angle here are those angles. This one will be the summation of the non-adjacent angles, which here 70 plus 30.
30
Okay?
equal 100.
It will be 100 degree. Right. Excellent. Okay? Now, next. If I have 80 and 40,
It will be 120.
yes, excellent. It will be 120. طيب, if I have, for example, here, if I have the exterior angle will be 125, and I have
make
another one.
125 minus
125
minus 45.
Excellent.
125 minus
125
45.
minus 45, it will be 80. Excellent, girl. Excellent. Okay. The next. So the theorem 1, all of us knows now, all of us know now or had known the exterior angle here of the triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its non-adjacent inferior angles. Okay, is it clear, girls? Is it clear? Yes.
مس أميرة هو الدرس ده كله هنحله بال distributive method.
Distributive method.
هنحل كل حاجة
about this the theorem 1. That's what you mean?
Yes.
Okay, no, not all. I have a lot of rules we have known at the previous. We have known the VOA theorem. We have known another theorems, but not for the triangle, for another things, the parallelism, and what else? The parallelism, the theorems of exterior and interior, the theorems of here of the triangle, theorem 1, and I will, inshallah, we will study also the theorem 2. All of them help us for prove anything here in this lesson. Okay?
أيوة يعني هنكتب كتير وتبقى solution وكده.
Yes, right. But here, for because I don't have enough time, I will use just the proof direct. Okay? But you had known how we can write the what and what, the given and required to prove or required to find. Okay? Good. Now, let me now to know or to learn the second theorem of the triangle. This theorem talks about the lengths, okay? The lengths. So the first one talked about the measure of angles. The exterior one equal the summation of non-adjacent angles. But here in this one talks about the lengths. Now let me to explain that. Here, this theorem of the triangle. If I have this triangle ABC, the ray and D here is the midpoint. What is the meaning of midpoint? What is meaning of midpoint? Midpoint.
The point that divides the line into two equal parts.
Okay, right, excellent. The point which divides the segment into two equal parts, right? So it's called here D. Okay, D here is my midpoint. So AD equal DB. If I extend the ray from D, okay, from one side which has D point, if I extend the ray here or draw a ray from D, and this ray parallel to CB, okay, those are parallel lines, okay, and this ray will intersect with the third side in a midpoint also. So again, if I have a midpoint in a side, and I'll draw a ray from this point, from this side, and this ray parallel with another side, so this ray will bisect the third side, okay, in a point. This point also will be a midpoint of the third side. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Girls, are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
يعني اللاين ده هيكون parallel لده.
Yes, the ray should be parallel. The ray
هيكون half ال CB.
Which out from the midpoint should be parallel with the another side.
ممكن تعيدي تاني؟
Again. Okay.
هيكون الهاف بتاعه.
Again. Yes. Okay. Again, girls. If I have a triangle and I have a midpoint of one side of them, or the first side, for example, this is the first side, AB here is the first side, and D here is the midpoint on this side, AB. If I draw a ray from D, and this ray parallel with the second side, CB, this ray will intersect the third side in a point, and this ray will be bisected the another one here, or the third side here in E. This point E will be the midpoint also. Okay, another thing I have to know now, the length of this theorem also, the length of ED, or the ray, the length of the segment between two midpoints, the length of it will be half of the length of CB, the side which parallel with my ray. Again, the length of the ray DE, according to this theorem, will be half of measure of CB, the measure of CB. So the length of ED will be the half length of CB. Okay, is it clear? All of them will be theorem 2 on the triangle. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
ميس ما فهمتش آخر حتة.
Yes حبيبي. Again.
ما فهمتش آخر حتة.
Okay, again. E here, we had known in E here will be the midpoint of the third one, right? Right, girls? Okay. Now, I'm talking about now the length of this ray. The length of this ray will be half of the length of the second ray which parallel with it in my triangle, or with the side which parallel with it. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, if D is the midpoint of AB and DE, this is the ray, parallel with DBC, the second side of my triangle, so the E here should be the midpoint of AC,
Point of AC.
right? And also
ED,
the measure of ED will be the half of, yes, the half of the side which parallel with. Okay, girls? Okay, good, good, girls. Okay, now let me to start for solving our sheet number, please, page number 104. 104.
104.
Yes. 104. Sheet number 5, I think, or 6 or 7. Theorems of triangle. Theorems of triangle, sheet number 7. Please, you have to read it carefully. Okay? Firstly, EY, the segment, line segment EY, intersect the line segment XZ and M. Okay, what can I deduce from this part?
ممكن اقول
Yes.
ان كده
Okay.
هيكون انجل اي ام زد هيكون equal angle اكس ام واي
Excellent. So I have here
VOA.
two opposite, each two opposite angles should be equal in measure. Right,
Vertically
excellent.
opposite
Those
angles.
are VOA. So since EY
مش احنا
line
المفروض نكتب
segment.
الأول solution و given
Okay, I will start with proof direct, because you know you had known before how you can write the other two things, the given and the RTF or RTP. Okay, I will start with the proof direct. Okay, girls. Okay, I will start with the proof. Okay, EY, please don't write anything, please don't write anything, girls, thank you so much. EY intersected with XZ here, line segment XZ and M.
equal
Since
m
I have that, then what?
therefore measure
Therefore,
angle
yes.
EMZ. Therefore,
Yes.
measure angle
EMZ, the
equal
angle.
measure angle
Excellent.
XMY.
Okay, the measure, Sondus, right?
Yes.
Measure of angle EMZ
equal measure angle
EMZ
XM
equal
measure angle
of measure
XMY
of angle XMY
equal 80
XMY. Yes, this is my
Equal
angle, the
80.
next angle. Yes. And also I have another deduce here.
لا ما هو احنا هنكتب ان هو equal 80
Okay, equal. Okay, never mind. Equal 80. Doesn't matter. Okay, the
معلش
next
مسز
one.
أمينة.
No, yes.
لازم تكتبوا كل الستبس معلش.
Yes, but after the second one كنت هكتبها direct, okay? طيب. Now the second one here, EMX, the measure. Yes, Sondus, the measure of angle.
واحنا هنكتب ميجر انجل. هو احنا هنعمل ايه دلوقتي كده؟
Yes. E M X also should be equal Z M Y.
اوكي.
Okay. Okay. Also the measure. I'm so sorry. I can't write M. Okay.
يعني دي
The
برضه
measure
في
of.
السو.
So V O A. Okay. Good. Okay. After that, the measure of E from
مش
here.
احنا المفروض نطلع اي ام اكس وزد
Okay.
ام واي هم
Please.
ايكوال كام؟
Please wait. The measure of E equals 60. It's here now. The measure of X equal measure of Y. Here, this one equal this one. Okay, good. F belongs to ZM. F belongs to ZM. Find what? Firstly, I need to find it. I need to find, firstly, the angle of Z. So this is the first thing I need to get it. Okay, this is number one. The requirements, number one. Okay, the required. Okay, the second thing, the fxy, fxy. So I need the second requirement will be here. This is the second requirement. So, okay, Sundas, I will put that directly after we know that. يبقى after we know this statement, I will write VOA directly before I see anything, okay? After that,
ايوه.
after that, I have now two things. First thing, the angle of Z, and second thing, the angle of the measure of angle fxy. So, what shall I do to get the value of Z or the measure of angle Z?
هو انا اللي هكمل حلها ولا تاني؟
Anyone other? Anyone? Yes?
80.
Jana?
Yes.
Yes, ya Jana.
180
Okay.
minus.
Excellent. Excellent. Sense.
بس هو ممكن
Yes.
plus
هنقول
80.
ان
Sense.
السم اوف measures
The sum of interior. The sum of interior angles.
Of triangle.
Angles. Yes. And of triangle. Sorry. Angles. Of.
triangle
Yes.
Equals 180
Of triangle. Sorry. Of triangle. Equal 100.
180.
Yes. Equal 180.
Therefore,
Okay, it's so
Therefore-
hard because I'm writing by using the touchpad. Okay,
مش ممكن
Yes.
تكتبي عادي
I'm so sorry.
بالكيبورد.
Yes? Okay, the summation here is 180 degree. So the value or the measure of
therefore
angle.
measure angle.
Yes, يبقى
Z
so therefore the measure of angle Z
Z equals
equals
180
excellent 180 minus
minus
Yes.
60 plus 80.
Minus
Excellent.
60 plus 80.
plus 80.
Excellent 60 plus sorry 60
Plus 80.
plus 80 it will be
الله أعلم.
40.
excellent 80 plus 60 will be 140 180 minus 140 equal 40
40.
okay so it will be 40 degree it's the first 40 degree it's the first requirements here so it will be number one the requirement the first requirement okay good so I have here a 40 degree so this is one will be now 40 degree I know now this one it will be 40 degree I have it now it will be 40 degree okay I need now to get the value of fxy. How can I, or how can I, or how could I get it?
ممكن اقول
Give me some ideas. Yes.
ممكن اقول
Yes هعمل 60 plus 6.
ممكن اقول ان هو ان
سندس؟
since ان measure angle x
Mm-hmm.
equal measure angle y
Yes.
and sum of interior angles measure بتاعت interior angles في triangle equal 180
Yeah.
يبقى therefore measure angle x and measure angle y equal 180 minus 80 equal 100 divided 2
Yeah.
هتبقى equal 50 و 50
Excellent. Right.
وبعدين هنجيب ان since ان
Good thinking. Good
belongs
thinking.
to-
Excellent.
Yes 100.
يا ميس انا عندي حاجه ثانيه واحنا ممكن
ايه
نقول
اللي هيديني 100؟
Wait. Please, girl by girl. Okay. Yes.
since ان ال f belongs to zm يبقى كده ده straight line فهنجيب ان measure angle f او ممكن نجيب ان measure angle fx y
Yeah.
since ان exterior angle بيبقى equal to the two non-adjacent angles the
Yeah.
summation of two non-adjacent angles measure
Yeah.
someone
هتبقى equal 80 plus 50 هيطلع
Excellent.
بقى
Excellent.
Excellent.
Fantastic. Right. Right.
excellent.
Exactly right. Okay. Now again, I will solve it again. Excellent, Sondos. Again. How can I do with that? Okay, I know now this one or the measure of xmy we had known before. It will be here 100. It will be 80 also VOA. So it will be here 80. But I know in angle x equal angle y. Please let me to write this angle as a 1. Okay, for easy in writing. Okay, I will consider this angle is angle number 1 here, angle number 1, and this one will be angle number 2, and this one, yes, angle number 2. So I have here, I'm so sorry, this one not here.
مش أميرة وانا ممكن اعمل كده في امتحان؟
نعم يا قلبي. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay. Yes, you can. Okay. Here, I have here number 1. So I have here triangle number 1 and the angle number 1 and angle number 2. Now,
Yes, Miss
now
Akira.
again, we know that all interior angles since all or the summation, the sum of interior angles of triangles equal of triangle here equal 180. Yes.
and measure
So,
angle x equal measure angle y
180. So the measure.
ممكن
يا ميس هي sum of x؟
Yes حبيبي.
في نفس السنس نقول and measure angle x equal measure angle y.
Okay, since yes, right يا سندس. And also measure of angle 1 اللي هي x equal measure
angle 2.
excellent measure of angle 2. So therefore
measure angle بقى x
yes
أو
measure
1 and 2.
yes measure of angle
1
measure of angle. No, not measure of angle. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Measure of x m y. Measure of x m
ليه هو ليه
I
عملنا كده؟
شكرا.
plus measure of angle 1, the summation of interior angles, and the measure of angle 2 of angle 2, all of them should be equal. Should be equal
احنا لازم نكتب الستيب دي، ما ينفعش
180. نعم.
لازم نكتب الستيب دي.
No, no. Okay, now 80 here. This will be 80. This will be 80. So it will be here 80 degree. This one will be 80 degree. So the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 will be equal. Measure. Then?
100.
Yes, excellent. Measure of angle 1. Measure of angle.
يعني measure angle 1 equal 50 و measure angle 2 equal 50.
Excellent. Measure of angle 1 plus measure of
The angle 2 equal 100.
Excellent. Of angle 2 here will be 180 minus 80. It will be 100. 100 degrees. 100 degrees. So 100 degrees. Sorry. Here, Bordeaux. Yes, 100 degree. So the measure of 1 plus measure of 2 equal 100. And measure of 1 equal measure of 2. So the measure of 1 equal.
بس ممكن تنزلي شوية صفحة لفوق يعني ترفعيها.
حاضر. Measure of angle 2 equal what? Equal
100 divided by 2.
100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2.
degrees.
Yes, it will be.
إن هم equal أصلا.
Okay, it will be here 50 degree. 50 degree. So I know now each one, A1 and 2, each one has a 50 degree as a measure. 50 degree. And this also.
جميل حياتك انجل اكس.
Yes.
بس انجل اكس مش ب 50. يبقى هي اصلا انجل ايه عامل فوق هنا عندها ستار معناها انه 60 equal 60. يعني دي equal 60. وتحت برضه
50 اللي هو f x equal 50 y equal 50.
Yes, because the value of x should be here, measure of angle, or the angle x has the same sign of the measure y. Asterisk here and asterisk here. That's meaning the both are equal in measure. So if yes, I have two angles, the summation of them equal 100. So each one will be equal
50.
I know it. Yes, 50.
ايوه.
Right. So now if you have that أنا همسح ممكن.
ماشي.
Yes, thank you. I will erase this one part.
ميس انت ممكن تكتبي على بالكيبورد يكون اسهل.
Okay, it's so hard because I don't have in the Zoom the special characters such as the angle or such as the line segment and so on. Okay, now I have to use my hand free. It's obligatory. It's not optional. Okay, now girls, the angle of fxy here from here.
Exterior angle.
So
هنكتب since in the measure of exterior angle equal
the measure
the sum of the measure
non-adjacent angle.
Measure
ده straight angle فيبقى 180
angle f x angle f x y f
مش المفروض نكتب اللي هو exterior اصلا
equal yes equal
تبقى equal the sum of two non-adjacent angles.
Yes, a non-adjacent angle. It will will be what? Measure
130 degrees.
Yes, E and plus measure of angle Z. Sorry. Of angle Z. This is one is the first theorem or second theorem? Which theorem on triangle?
first.
Yes, the first theorem. First.
بس ميس هو ايه اللي جاب الترينجل الاولاني للترينجل التاني؟ مش احنا المفروض ان احنا نقول ان مادام
Yes.
x y يبقى equal measure y
Again.
plus
Again.
measure. مش احنا المفروض نقول measure f x y equal measure y plus measure m صح؟
Measure of y plus measure of m. Yes, this
أيوة.
is the measure of what? fx.
مش احنا المفروض measure
I'm so sorry. I'm so
X,
sorry. I'm so
Y.
sorry. Right, حبيبي. I'm so sorry. Right. The measure of
ايوه يا ميس المفروض
M and Y.
so sorry. I'm so sorry. Measure of angle x m y. X m
Angle Y.
x m y. This one mxy. This one. And this one measure of y. Measure of angle y.
يعني هتكون equal measure angle Y plus measure angle M.
Right, but not m. xmy.
XMY.
Yes. xmy plus measure of y. It will be.
It will be 80 plus
80 plus what?
plus 50
50. Excellent. It will be
equal
لازم نكتب
130.
theorem 1 theorem 2 كده.
Yes.
130.
equal 100.
130.
اوكي.
So it will be the second requirement. So
ميس هو احنا لازم نكتب theorem 1 theorem 2
yes
كده.
حبيبي. Yes. Yes.
اصل انا مش هبقى فاكره انهي كانت theorem 1 وانهي theorem 2
Okay,
يعني هي
theorem
theorem بس.
Theorem 1 according to the angles. Theorem 2 according to the lengths.
اوكي.
مس أميرة ممكن نعمل
130
نقول
degree. It's second requirement. Second requirement. Okay.
مس أميرة ممكن نقول إن ZMX ده straight line.
Wait, please. ZMX. Yes. What about
لا
ZMX?
sorry ZXF.
ZXF. Z.
أيوة
ZXF.
أيوة
هي
Okay,
قصدها
it's
ان
أيوة
قصدها إن
ممكن
F
نقول إن الإكس
Right,
دي
right.
180.
Right. Fantastic. Yes. The easiest way. Right. But here,
بس
But-
عشان ده الدرس.
I need to know how you can use the theorems. But here also, you can solve it by another way. By if I have a straight angle ZXF and this straight angle equal 180, and I have MXY equal 50. So the FXY will be 180 minus 50. It will be also 130. Okay?
Okay.
Fantastic. Right. Okay. The next example. Have you finished? I will draw my board. Okay? Sorry, I will clear my board. Okay. The next page here, I have this shape, and it gives me some information. The first one here, AB parallel with CD. Where is AB? AB, this one. Parallel with one, with which one? With another one here. This one. So I have here two parallel lines. The first one and the second one here. Those are parallel lines. Now, E belongs to AC. E, where is E? E here belongs to AC. Okay? And angle of A equal 63. And angle of B equal 42. Find what? The first requirement, BCE. Where is BCE? BCE, all this one. Okay, this is one is the first requirement. The first requirement. Okay, the second one here, BCD. Where is BCD? BCD. Okay, this one here is the second, okay, the second requirement. Okay, here, wait, please. Second requirement. Here, this is one, is the second requirement. Okay, and the third one, please wait. Okay, and the third requirement. Yes.
ممكن بس حاجة
Wait, please. Okay.
ترجعي تاني تكتبي اللي
Okay.
فات عشان
Okay.
الموبايل كان بيتم. ترجعي تاني تكتبي اللي فات عشان
Okay. DCE, this one is the third requirement. Third requirement. So I have here to find the values of those three angles. Yes? Okay. Who will help me for solving this question?
Me.
Yes.
أنا. Me.
Yes, علياء. Yes, علياء.
First we will get measure BCA.
BCE, right? Okay.
لا BCA.
BCA. Okay, good. I have to get the value of BCA first, right? So, yes.
ابعدي شوية علياء، ابعدي عن التي في حبيبتي شوية من فضلك.
Okay, Alia, since what? Since measure of angle A. Yes, Alia. Alia, are with me?
أيوة.
Yes, حبيبي. Measure of A equal 63.
أيوة.
And
measure B.
And measure of angle B equal
63 لا 42.
Equal 42, right? Equal 42.
So measure C equal 180 open bracket 63 plus
Since
42.
Excellent. Since the measure of angle, the measure, not C, the measure of angle what? The measure of angle what? ACB. Okay, Alia?
Yes.
ACB equal
جماعة الناس اللي أنا بتنقط من إذنكم صفحة أصلا مكركبة يعني.
Okay, ACB equal 180 minus
40 measure minus
minus, yes.
measure B plus measure A.
Excellent. Measure of B, A and B, 60.
يبقى 180 minus 42 plus 63.
Yes, 42. Okay.
هو احنا مش هنكتب اللي هي since ان التراينجل equal measures ولا عشان احنا عارفين فمش مهم دلوقتي يعني.
Yes, مش مهم دلوقتي بس أنا مش قادرة أكتب بس all information because it's so hard to write all informations here.
أمير كده كل ده هينزل في الموديل.
هنطلع 75.
Okay, it will be here.
75.
Yes. This one equal 105.
75.
Wait, 105. 180 minus 105, it will be 75, right?
أيوة مش right.
Right, 75 degree. Okay, it will be here 75 degree. Okay, so it's the first thing here. How can I get the BCE? Alia, are you with me?
أيوة.
Yes. Yes.
هجيبها إني أنا هعمل الثيرم first case.
Okay.
اللي هو الاديشن بتاع measure A و measure B
اوكي طيب يبقى
عشان
we don't
اجيب
need
B
from the
C E.
firstly we don't need يعني don't need the value of C because I have the two non-adjacent angles صح؟ انت جبتي ليه C دلوقتي لو انت or BCA if you don't use it.
عشان ممكن يسألوني عليه عادي يعني.
Okay.
اكتبوا كل حاجة بصراحة.
Okay. But I can instead of extract the value of BCA.
ممكن نجيب
Yes. I will use
الانجل على طول.
the theorem number 1. Yes, right. So Alia,
أيوة.
I can,
هنعمل
if you have now the value of C, you have to use it. Okay? You have to use it now. It's so easy. It's so easy. If I have the interior angle BCA, I can get by easy way the value of the exterior angle BCE. Alia?
هنعمل 180 minus 75.
Yes, okay. Since what? Since what?
Since in the
Interior?
C.
Yes, the measure of angle BCA BCA plus measure of angle BCE equal what? Yes, BCE equal what يا عليا?
ثانية.
This one plus this one equal what?
Equal 180.
Yes, equal 180.
So measure BCE equal 180 minus 75.
Yes, B measure of angle
هو احنا كده بنجيب ايه يا مس؟
B C. The first requirement قلبي, the first requirement, this one. The first requirement. The measure of angle BCE. Yes, equal Alia?
Yes,
180 minus
BCE equal 180 minus 75.
75. It will be equal? It will be equal?
105.
105. Right?
طب
Okay.
ميسو احنا ليه ما عملناش
By the easy way or by the best solution, I have to use the theorem of the theorem 1 on my triangle. So the value of this measure اللي هو the first requirement, the measure of another solution is the best way for solving that.
مش هي نفسها يا ميس 63 plus 42.
ايوه
Yes, this is the
طب
first.
ميس هو since measure angle BCD هي دي BCD plus BCA واحنا عرفنا منين ان هما الاثنين دول equal 180.
Okay, BCA and BCA and E.
اوكي انا قريتها غلط.
But by using the first theory,
هنعمل 42 plus 63.
yes, right, by using theorem number 1, the first theorem, okay, by using this theorem, I have to write it by easy way. How I can do it?
هنكتب ان since ان
We would write
Yes.
The measure of exterior angle.
سنسن.
Yes, excellent. The measure of angle BCE equal the measure of angle
A plus measure angle B.
excellent measure of angle B
Equal 63 plus 42.
plus measure of angle A, the non-adjacent angles.
Equal
measure.
63 plus 42 equal 105.
Excellent, right? Yes, it will be equal, by easy way, it will be equal 100 and, yes, 40. Sorry, which one? This one? Yes, 42 plus
Plus
63,
63.
it will be
105.
105.
Five.
Why one line? Look at here, how many lines to prove it here, and how many lines to prove it by the theorem. By the theorem, I will use just one line.
بس
But
الثيرم
here,
برضو أظن
I
مش
have
احنا لما
to
نيجي
use
نحل
all those
الثيرم
lines. Yes?
مش احنا لما نيجي نحل الثيرم المفروض نكتب ان السنس ان الاكستيرير انجل ايكوال ونكتب جملة كده وبعدين نكتب
Yes, yes,
بقى
you
دي.
can do it. You can do it. The measure of the exterior angle equal the summation. You can do it by words. Equal the measure of the non-adjacent angles.
أيوه.
After that, you have to write it in letters. So, such as the measure of BCE equal the measure of B plus measure of A. Okay? That's okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. After that, this is the first requirement. All of them is for finding the first requirement. What about the second requirement? The second requirement. Now I know now the value of the first requirement. Okay, the first requirement here, I have this angle by measure 105. 105.
هو في حد هيكملها؟
Yes, أنا مش عارفة. I don't know.
هو ممكن أقولها يعني؟
Yes, you can. You can.
طيب هنكتب إن since إن AB parallel to CD.
Okay, can I erase the board, please?
Oh, okay.
Yes, thank you. Okay, I don't need all this part. Okay. Yes, you can continue.
مس أميرة أنا كنت بحل. مس أميرة أنا كنت بحل.
Who?
علياء.
علياء. Okay, علياء. I'm so sorry. Who with me now? Other girl.
اللي بعديها.
أنا سندس. أنا كنت
معلش
هكملها لو ما حدش هيكملها.
Please,
لو
Sundus,
هي هتكملها خلاص.
Sundus, you will solve number 3. Okay, are you satisfied or not?
اوكي عادي خليها تكمل.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alia, you can continue to number 2. Thank you, Sundus. Thank you. Yes, Alia.
Since an AB parallel to CD.
Okay, since the AB parallel with CD.
Parallel with CD.
Don't forget to write the ray, okay? The ray sign. Yes, حبيبي.
فاحنا كده عندنا F.
Excellent. Where is F? Where is F?
حضرتك امشي معايا كده.
Okay, wait. Please wait. Okay, yes? B, A, yes, this one. Yes.
A, E.
And A, yes, excellent. A, E, this one. What else?
DC.
And DC, excellent. Or CD, the correct way, because it's a ray. Yes, C, D, excellent. Right. So
احنا عارفين ان ده corresponding angle، فاللي هي measure BAC هيبقى
Again,
equal
again,
DCE.
again. Okay, Alia, which angle you will find now? Which angle?
I will find DCE.
DCA?
لا
DCE.
DCE.
DCE. Okay, the third requirement, right?
Yes.
Okay, Sondus, you will find the second requirement. Okay. Let me to write it. Okay. Now, by using that, the angle of then what يا علياء؟ علياء then
عشان ده corresponding angle.
yes, okay. Which angles
فهيبقى
are corresponding to each other?
فهيبقى measure of angle A equal measure of DCE.
Okay, measure of angle A equal measure of angle DCE. So the measure of angle A equal the measure of angle DCE. So they are corresponding, right?
Yes.
Corresponding angles. Okay. So it will be equal.
هتبقى equal
63.
It will be equal
63.
30. Okay.
63.
63.
Okay. 63. Okay. 63. It's the third requirement. The third requirement. What about the second requirement, Sondus? Thank you so much, Alia. Thank you so much, Alia. Sondus.
هنكتب ان السنس ان AB parallel to CD احنا اوريدي كتبناها، فممكن نعمل show على طول.
لا. You have to write which one sense. You have to write sense.
ميسو احنا
هي مس رحاب قالت لنا ان ممكن تنسوا.
Okay, if you can or you can don't write with no enough time. Okay. The time.
بس اوكي يعني ايوه. فعشان كده.
PM now.
Yes, I don't have enough time for.
Yes.
Okay, Sondus, how you can get it again? Number 2, quickly.
ماشي اوكي. هتكون ان since AB parallel to CD so
Yes.
measure angle the sum of measures angle A plus angle ACD equal 180 interior supplementary angles.
Yes.
Therefore ايوه يعني هي هتكون كده. هتكون
Yes.
ان هي therefore measure angle
Or you can find another way by easy way. You can use another way by easy way. What about that?
Z.
What about this part? This one, this one, and this one. The Z. Excellent. So
اوكي ممكن نجيبها. ايوه
good.
ممكن نجيبها ان هي تكون equal 42 على طول alternate angles.
Excellent.
او ممكن نعملها بطريقة اسهل.
Yes. خلاص. Then
ممكن نعملها بطريقة اسهل يا مس أميرة.
okay. You can tell me about it.
اللي هي ممكن نعمل 180 minus 75 اللي هي بتاعت BCA.
Yes.
نعمل 75 plus 63 فتديني على طول يعني.
Excellent. Okay. Good.
هي ايه 75 minus A
BCD.
هي عالية قالت ايه؟
BCD.
ممكن نعمل 180 minus الانجل اللي هو C، قصدي minus انجل اللي هو BCA اللي هو 75 plus DCE اللي هو 63. هنعملهم ب 180 minus 75 plus 63.
ايوه صح ماشي.
Okay, thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much. يعني البوث 63 now?
You're welcome.
لا هو يبقى 42 يا ميس.
Which one?
أيوة,
This 42,
42.
right?
42.
Yes, I'm so sorry, 42.
عشان هي alternate
That's right,
angles.
alternate. 42. Thank you so much, girls, for listening and sharing. 40, I'm so sorry, 42, and this will be alternate angles. Thank you so much.
ميس هي مش المفروض اول واحده تبقى measure B؟
Which one?
أميرة مش هي المفروض تبقى measure B؟ مش في الاول خالص في اول السطر.
Yes.
measure B equal measure
of, I'm so sorry. Yes, right. Measure of B, because I don't have enough time, because that I have to get out. I'm not corresponding. Thank you so much. The measure of B equal measure of BCD equal 42 because they are alternate angles.
Equal 42 alternate.
Yes, thank you
Angles.
for listening and sharing. Thank you for this fantastic lesson. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss
Goodbye.
أميرة. جزاك الله خيرا.
Thank you so much, Mr. Thank you.
باي باي.